Hello. I want to take a minute to show you how to attach an invoice as a PDF when you are using FreshBooks software. So the first thing we want to do is go to their support page, which is support.freshbooks.com. Then you want to go into your search box and type in invoice. We want to choose how do I create an invoice, which is the first option. And then we want to go down here to save or send the invoice. Click on that. This will take you right to the section that will give you step-by-step directions on how to do this. You'll notice down here at step 4, it's just a matter of checking a checkbox to attach the invoice with your email. Now, I did reach out to FreshBooks to find out if there was a way to do this globally, and according to them at this time there is not any global setting that will allow this. So unfortunately, every time you send an email, you would want to check that, attach a PDF copy of this invoice. Hope this helps.